Linux Mint Review, the $3,800 per month OS nobody talks about. Most people assume the only operating systems worth using cost money, come pre-installed, or belong to the big two. Linux Mint sits quietly in the background, free to download, free to use, and powering the workflows of people generating serious income every single month. But there is a reason most mainstream tech coverage never brings it up, and once you understand that reason, the case for Linux Mint becomes a lot harder to dismiss. In this review of Linux Mint, we are going to break down what makes it genuinely different, who it works best for, and whether it can realistically replace the operating system you are using right now. Linux Mint is a free and open source operating system built on top of Ubuntu, designed specifically to be accessible, stable, and comfortable for users coming from Windows or macOS. It has been one of the most consistently recommended Linux distributions for newcomers for over a decade, and its reputation for just working without technical headaches is well earned. The interface is immediately familiar. The taskbar, Start Menu Style Application Launcher, and desktop layout all follow conventions that Windows users in particular will recognize within minutes. The learning curve that puts most people off Linux simply does not apply here in the same way it does with other distributions. Performance is where Linux Mint genuinely impresses. On older or mid-range hardware, it runs faster, smoother, and more responsively than Windows 10 or 11 on equivalent specs. Freelancers, developers, and content creators who need a reliable, distraction-free working environment have found that Mint delivers that consistently without the bloatware, forced updates, or background telemetry that comes standard elsewhere. Here's what the title is really pointing at. The $3,800 per month is not what Mint costs. It is what users across forums, communities, and case studies consistently report earning while running Mint as their primary OS. Developers, writers, designers, and remote workers who switch to Mint frequently cite the reduction in system interruptions, faster boot times, and the removal of operating system friction as genuine productivity gains. The honest limitation is software compatibility. Adobe's Creative Suite does not run natively on Linux. Some industry-specific tools have no Linux version. Gaming has improved dramatically with Proton and Steam, but is still not seamless for every title. For users whose workflow depends on Windows-only or macOS-only applications, Mint cannot be a complete replacement without workarounds. Hardware support has improved significantly, but occasionally requires manual configuration, particularly for newer Wi-Fi cards, certain printers, and some peripherals. Overall, Linux Mint is one of the most underrated productivity operating systems available, and the price of zero makes the barrier to trying it essentially non-existent. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Linux Mint is a genuinely excellent operating system for users who want a stable, fast, and familiar environment without licensing costs or intrusive system behavior. The software compatibility gap is a real limitation for certain professional workflows that depend on platform-specific tools. For developers, writers, and remote workers whose tools have Linux support, Mint can meaningfully improve daily productivity. The $3,800 per month framing is a reflection of what focused, low-friction work environments can enable, not a guarantee attached to the software itself.